What's up guys, welcome back to this video. Here is Cryptos, where we help new beginners traders succeed in the financial market. And in this video I'm going to be taking you through on how to use future derivatives trade signals on your Bybit app. So right now let's go to our Bybit app right away. Right here is your Bybit app. You click on it. Once you click on your Bybit app, this is what you'll be seeing. This is your home page of your Bybit app, where you'll be seeing the Bybit N, Web3, card, reward hub, and so on. So down here on your Bybit app, you'll be seeing the home, market, derivatives, trade, and assets. So for the essence of this video, I'm only going to be showing you how to use future derivatives trade signals on your Bybit account. So if you're watching this video and you don't have a Bybit account, no worries, there will be a link in the description below where you can click and create your account and also get a discount for doing that. So right now let's get started. You click on your derivatives right here. Once you click on your derivatives, this is what you'll be seeing. This is how it's going to look like. So right now let's go to our Telegram channel where the signal has been dropped. So right here is our Telegram channel, and this is the signal that has been dropped on our Telegram channel. Direction long, crypto pair 1000 per USDT. So right now let's go back to our Bybit app to search for our crypto pair. Right here on your Bybit app, this is our Bybit app. If you want to search for any crypto pair, you click right here. Then you type in the crypto pair you're searching for. So right here is our crypto pair. You tap on it. Once you tap on it, this is what you'll be seeing. So right now let's go back to our Telegram channel. On our Telegram channel, leverage says 1x to 3x leverage. Be a responsible trader by risking less than 1% of your capital per trade. So right now let's go back to our Bybit app to set our leverage. Here on your Bybit app, if you want to set your leverage, you click right here. If it's on cross before, you change it to isolated, because isolated is the recommended margin for new beginners traders. Remember, always risk what you are comfortable losing. The game is to survive in the market. You click on confirm. So right here where it's showing 2x, remember use 1 to 3x of your leverage. So right now you change it to 3x. If it's on 25x, you change it to 3x leverage, which is the recommended leverage for new beginners traders. So you click on save. So right now let's go back to our Telegram channel and search for our entries. Right here on our Telegram channel, our entry price zone: entry 1 risky, entry 2 moderate, entry 3 safer. So for the essence of this video, we are going to go with the entry 3, which is safer. So you can decide to choose whichever entry you want to go with. So right now let's go back to our Bybit app and set our entry. Alright, if you're still watching this video, this is Cryptos, where we help new beginners traders succeed in the financial market. And there will be a link in the description below to our free Telegram channel where we share trade signals every single day and also trade ideas. And if you're also watching this video, you don't have a Bybit account, no worries, there will also be a link in the description below where you can create your account and get a discount for doing that. So right now let's set our entries. Right here you put in the amount of USDT you want to risk for this trade. So right now our take profit, let's go back to our Telegram channel to set our take profit. Our take profit zone: take profit 1 safer, take profit 2 moderate, take profit 3 risky. So we are going to go with the take profit 1, which is safer for the essence of this video. Like I've said before, you can decide to go with whichever take profit zone you are comfortable with. So for the essence of this video, we are going to go with the take profit 1, which is safer. our stop loss, always remember to set your stop loss because that is your defensive zone. So our stop loss right here, so right here you check if everything is okay, then you click on confirm. So let's go back to our Telegram channel. Risk: if this trade hits stop loss, you will lose 25% of the amount you're using for this trade. If you're using $1 and the trade hits stop loss, you're going to use 25% amount of that $1. So let's go back to our Bybit app. You check if everything is okay, then you click on buy. You also check everything, you click on buy. So this is how to place your buy order using future derivatives trade signals on your Bybit app. This is your order right here. It will be waiting till the order price you typed in on this trade triggered, then the trade will start running. So this is how to place a trade on Bybit app using future derivatives trade signals. Alright, if you're still watching this video, this is Encryptos, where we help new beginners traders succeed in the financial market. And if you're watching this video too, you don't have a Bybit account, no worries, there will be a link in the description below where you can click and create your account and also get a discount for doing that. And also there will be a link to our free Telegram channel where we share free trade signals every single day. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Turn on that notification button so you'll be notified each time we post an important video like this. Thank you. See you on the next video.